My name is Yu. I'm very happy to be here. I'm going to tell a story. Today's title is Rain Baby. Bang, bang, bang went the hammer. Noah was building a boat, an enormous boat, big enough for his family, big enough to stay two of every kind animal and bird. When the great flood came, God was so sad about his world. It's all spoiled. People so nasty and unkind, except Noah. Noah was nice, Noah was good, Noah was friends with God. I have to get rid of all these destinies. It's the beautiful world I made is spoiled. There's going to be a great flood. Enough world to take away that everything that is bad. But you will be safe. God told Noah to build a great boat, the ark. Noah did as God said. Noah always did as God said. Bang, bang, bang with the hammer. And reached the was finished. The animal so excited. Quack quack said the cow. Quack quack said the dog. Moo moo said the cow. Hurry hurry said the geese. Chip chip chopped the sparrow. Don't leave behind. All above said Noah said, and God shut the window of the ark behind them. A whole week went by. Then rain began, on and on, till the ark was afloat, till the streams filled up and the river ran over. More and more rain, till the top of the mountains were covered, till there was nothing at all to see except water. The ark was alone in the world. A long list. The rain stopped. Slowly the water went down. Now Noah couldn't see top of the mountains. The ark went gentle to rest. Noah opened the window and out flew the raven. There the raven kept on flying. Noah waited a bit, and Noah sent out the dog. She flew back with a new green leaf in her beak, and everyone cheered. Slowly, the water went down. Noah sent the dog out once more. This time she did not come back. The water had gone and the land was nearly dry. You can come out now, God called to Noah. There were I think another flood like this. I promise. Look, I will paint a rainbow. I paint a rainbow as a sign I will never forget. Then Noah and his family come out of the ark. They sniffed the damp earth. They felt the firm ground under their feet, and they skipped and hopped and jumped for joy. Thank you, God, they said, for keeping us all safe. Thank you.